Currently, the general population thinks that physiologically speaking, humans are omnivores. When confronted by a vegan, they'll point to their so-called canines and with a smug look on their face feel that they have won their argument. But look at this chart and compare our canines to the fangs of the carnivore in column 1 or the obligate omnivore in column 2. Not really the same thing, are they? Add to that the fact that a true omnivore cannot suffer heart disease, our biggest killer. Doctors Caldwell Esselstyn and Dean Ornish have reversed thousands of cases of heart disease simply by prescribing a low-fat, whole foods, plant-based diet. This is the only diet that can claim such a feat.